So students, now we are going to start question number 5 of this chapter, long answer type question. Let's see what is the question here. The question is asking us to write a note on guarantee of profit to a partner. Okay, it's a small note which we can just, if we want, we can copy down also. Still we'll write it. What is this? Question number 5. Question number 5. Guarantee of profit to a partner. Now, I am just going to write down the important points which you need to write down, okay, when you are framing this answer. So, guarantee of minimum profit can be given by the existing partners to the new partner this guarantee can be given by all the old partners or any of them. The guarantee amount will be shared amongst all partners in their ratio, in the ratio between them. So guys, these are the important points which you need to write down when you are answering this question. Okay, a short and sweet one. Now let's move on to question number 6. Now, what is question number 6 here? How will you deal with a change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners? Take imaginary figures to illustrate your answers. Okay, we have to do that also. No problem. So, usually, due to change in the organizational structure of the firm, the partners may decide to change the profit sharing ratio amongst themselves. various adjustments that should be considered during the change in PSR are goodwill, reserves and accumulated profits, profit or loss on revaluation of assets or liabilities the general reserves and accumulated profits, if any, and profit or loss on revaluation of assets or liabilities should be credited or debited in partners' capital account in their old ratio. Now all of you, what is this? This question, we never learned all this in this chapter. Yes, this is a mistake in NCERT. What they have done is, this question does not belong to this chapter, it belongs to the next chapter, okay? But by mistake, they have copied it here, okay? This chapter question should end here, but this was there. That is the only reason why we are including in this chapter's video is if someone checks out this question and does not know where to look for it. So you will see all the videos here only. This, do remember, this question pertains to the next chapter which we are going to start after finishing all these numerical questions, okay? Now numerical questions, be very careful when we are solving this. That we will include in our next lecture. Thank you.